welcome back to my channel. I'm Jody. This is my little hobby farm. This is my husband Joel.
Hi.
And today he is going to help me because if you saw in last week's video, I started halter training Sheepy Marshmallow. And honestly, I haven't done it a ton this week because it's been really hot here in Ohio. And we've been busy, but I decided that tonight I am recruiting him to take Sheepy Marshmallow and also Maple, one of our new girls who is supposedly halter trained, on a little walk. So I thought it'd be fun. I also thought it would be a good practice for Sheepy Marshmallow and a good chance for Maple to brush up on her skills. So the first step is to catch them.
Wish us luck.
Let's see how we do.
Wish we were doing the goats. We can catch them pretty easily right now.
Yeah.
Eating all that corn.
Maple. Nope. Good girl.
Wow, got her.
I got her.
Awesome.
Took me a long way back.
They're similar to cows in the way they move.
I don't know. Should I move or do you?
I'd just stay right there. I might bring them right to you. Got him.
Dude, if you guys are sheep people watching these videos and have any tips on how to make this guy more friendly, he won't come to grain. I don't know. My goat babies were the same way. They're just like not super grain motivated yet, and he is so hard to catch. It's literally a two-person job.
We need to shoot for him or something.
Anyways, I have him. But let me, I guess I'll go through this way. Well, I'll just go through this way. I'll carry him though. Say cheese! Okay. Rudy's not very nice to him.
Ramming Rudy.
Well, only when he's like, it's like he just knows he's susceptible, you know?
Hey, big boy. What's going on?
Good boy! Wow, I am so impressed by him. Oh.
Hey. Oh, you can sit down and start eating? Oh my goodness. Come on, Fatso.
I don't know if she's in view, but she literally just plopped down and started eating the grass that was right here. All right, that's the situation. So I've noticed this with sheep. They just kind of plop down if they don't want to do it. You want to trade? See if I have any better luck?
Yeah. Hey,
you
Sheepy.
can have the model citizen.
Oh, I'm so sure. Taking
Honey.
off soon. Come on, bud. Yeah, you're doing great. Oh my goodness.
All right, get up. Get up.
Wow, Sheepy, amazing.
Good girl.
He's hungry.
I'm so hungry. I only have an acre and a half pasture to live off of. Good girl. I know, you're mad. Come on. Good girl. Nice, that's better. She does kind of want to rub against your leg though.
Yeah.
Okay, so the one that should be doing worse, old Sheepy Marshmallow, he is like a total pro. This is our 4th time with him, and he's just walking around like he owns the place. If only he was this easy to catch. That's the thing with him. Maple is funny. She loves to come up and get pets in the pasture, but she definitely is not a huge fan of walking on the lead. I know that she did because they showed her last year, but maybe they just haven't worked with her recently, and we're still kind of new to her.
Yep, not too bad.
Not too bad. Thanks for your help. All right, Joel, tell us what you're doing on the grain side of the operation today.
I'm replacing the knife guards right now. As you can see, I'll take some off so you see what it looks like without them. So if you didn't have anything on here, the This piece goes back and forth and cuts the beans or wheat or whatever you're using. These go on over it to kind of protect the knives and just help it cut better, because it actually wouldn't cut if you didn't have these on there. So they're getting worn. Here's an old one right here, and there's another old one. Just this part just loses its edge. And then this is what a new one looks like right there. I'm trying 2 different manufacturers. One is a red one, or one is green and one is black. We'll see how it goes.
We had another fun addition to the farm this week, and that was the birth of a calf. This one is super exciting because we have 4 cows on our farm. We have a breeding pair of Black Angus and a breeding pair of Scottish Highlanders. And in the past, we have had really bad luck with the offspring of our Scottish Highlanders. In fact, we've had 2 dead calves 2 years in a row. One was just stillborn at birth, and the other one was breech, and by the time the vet was able to get out and try to pull it, it was pulled dead. So having this healthy little guy, half Angus, half Highlander, is so exciting to us.
So I'm interested in the comments. Tell me what you would like to see. Do you like the farm segment? Do you like Joel in my videos? Do you want me to just stick to the sheep and the goat content? We have a lot of stuff going on here on the farm. We have the sheep and the goats, we have the cows, we have Joel's operation. So I thought you might be interested in all of that, but I definitely want to know your thoughts in the comments. So thank you so much for watching. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you next week. Bye.